What if just one simple drink could trigger powerful healing in your body every single day? That's the promise of turmeric tea. This golden elixir, treasured in ancient medicine for centuries, is now gaining recognition from modern science, and it's making waves for all the right reasons. Drinking turmeric tea daily could be the game changer your health routine is missing. But what happens when you sip this miracle tea every day? Let's uncover the truth. Because your cup might hold more power than you ever imagined. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, Sarah's Health and Beauty. Stay tuned, because we're going to break down 1. Reduces chronic inflammation. The silent killer. Chronic inflammation is the root of many diseases. Arthritis, heart disease, even cancer. But curcumin, the powerful compound in turmeric, is nature's answer. It's a potent anti-inflammatory that rivals over-the-counter drugs like ibuprofen without the harsh side effects. One daily cup of turmeric tea works quietly behind the scenes to calm inflammation throughout your body, helping you feel better, move better, and live longer. 2. Supercharges Antioxidants. Slow down aging. Antioxidants fight free radicals, those pesky little molecules that cause aging and disease. Turmeric tea is packed with these cell-protecting compounds. The result? Fewer wrinkles, improved skin tone, better internal health, and slower signs of aging. Think of it as your daily shield against time and toxins. 3. Enhances brain function. Stay sharp for life. Here's where it gets exciting. Curcumin boosts levels of BDNF, a brain hormone that helps form new neurons. This means improved memory, faster learning, and potentially a reduced risk of degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Drinking turmeric tea regularly is like giving your brain a workout every single day. 4. Soothes joint pain. Natural relief without pills. Whether you're a gym junkie, a runner, or just someone dealing with the aches of everyday life, turmeric tea can be your ally. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce joint pain and stiffness, especially in conditions like arthritis. No prescriptions, no painkillers, just a soothing cup that works from the inside out. 5. Boosts immunity. Build your body's defense. Turmeric tea has natural antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Drinking it daily helps supercharge your immune system, making it harder for viruses and bacteria to bring you down. It's like putting your immune system through boot camp, but gently and with flavor. 6. Improves digestion. Bye-bye bloating. Tired of feeling bloated or sluggish after meals? Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, which improves digestion and helps your body break down fats. If you've got issues like indigestion or even IBS, turmeric tea could be the natural remedy your gut has been waiting for. 7. Aids in weight management. Boost your metabolism. While turmeric won't melt fat on its own, it helps balance blood sugar and reduce insulin resistance, two major players in weight gain. Plus, by fighting inflammation and improving digestion, it helps your metabolism work more efficiently. Combined with healthy habits, turmeric tea supports a leaner, more energetic you. 8. Supports heart health. A stronger heart starts here. Heart disease is the #1 killer worldwide, and turmeric tea has your back. It improves blood flow, lowers bad cholesterol, and reduces the risk of clot formation. Drinking it daily is like giving your heart a mini tune-up, helping it beat stronger for years to come. 9. Detoxifies naturally. Clear out the junk. Forget harsh detox cleansers. Turmeric tea gently supports your liver, the body's primary detox organ. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your internal systems running smoothly. The result? Clearer skin, better energy, and a body that feels lighter and cleaner from within. 10. Brightens mood. Natural antidepressant effect. Here's a lesser-known but life-changing benefit. Turmeric has been shown to boost serotonin and dopamine levels, your feel-good brain chemicals. That means less stress, fewer mood swings, and more daily joy. It's like sunshine in a cup, especially on the tough days. Now that you know what happens when you drink turmeric tea every day, are you ready to give your body the golden treatment? Try this. Make it a ritual. Brew a warm, soothing cup every morning or evening. Add a pinch of black pepper to unlock turmeric's full power, and maybe a splash of coconut milk to make it creamy and delicious. Then let nature do the rest. Drop a comment below. What benefit are you most excited about? Skin glow? Brain boost? Joint relief? I want to hear your story. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more wellness wisdom. and share it with someone who needs a natural upgrade to their daily routine, because 1 cup a day might just change everything. Stay golden, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.